Welcome to the first example of the JavaScript. In this example, I am going to show you the different way of writing messages into HTML using JavaScript. So the JavaScript should be enclosed within the script tag. The first method we are going to see is document write. A document write is used to write messages, expression, elements in our document, that's your HTML web page. Document.write, within the parenthesis you can give a valid string. So you can see the string is being displayed in the document. You can also enter an element itself. Example, I want to display a heading 3 element. You can see the heading 3 is displayed. You can also write a number or even a expression. So document.write is the first method which you could write any message on the document. If you want to write something on the pop-up window or a message box, you can use this second method, which is alert. Alert is used to display the message on the pop-up window. So you could see the message has been popped out in the message box, welcome world. So this would be the second way we can display the message, but alert can only display the text. It could not display a HTML element. So welcome world, you can see h1 is displayed as a text. It doesn't treat it as an element because it's not displaying on the document, it's displaying on the pop-up window. You could display a expression using the alert. The third method, we will be writing on element. So the first method we used to write on document. In the last method, I will show you how to write it on a element. Let's create a element. So in my document, I'm going to create an element using the document write. So I will create a division with the ID MSG, and this is a empty division. So the division is being created below the number, but we will not be able to see it because we don't have any value inside the division. So now let me going to write some message inside this division. So instead of we use the document.write, I need to get a reference for the division. To get the reference of the division or the elements, we could use a method called getElementById. So this will get the reference of the object in your document. So we use the ID, which is MSG, and this gets the reference to our object, which is the division message, and I'm going to use the property called inner HTML that's going to display the message in the. So I'm going to write h3 So we have the pop-up window and we have this welcome world to JavaScript within our division. These are the three different methods that you use to write something in the JavaScript. Document.write to write something on the document, alert to pop some message on the document, and the last method is using inner HTML to display in the element.